The natural world contains about 8.7 million species, with 6.5 million species on land and 2.2 million in oceans. According to the Census of Marine Life, although many scientists say the true figure could be millions more. Despite this staggering number, some of them ended up slightly stranger than the rest of the animal and underwater kingdom. Here are 10 of the strangest animals that inhabit our planet. Do you know which are those wired animals? Let's talk about them. A menacing appearance with its giant frill, the frill-necked lizard, endemic to northern Australia and southern New Guinea, the docile low-key critters are actually only interested in insects. But plenty of animals are interested in the lizard, so it has adapted its body to ward off potential predators and has the ability to run extremely fast and are capable of running on just their hind legs when they pick up speed. Number 2. Blobfish. The blobfish is a deep sea fish which inhabits water just above the seabed at depth of 600 to 1200 meters. 2000 to 3900 feet off the coasts of mainland Australia, New Zealand, and Tasmania. The blobfish is a rather odd-looking fish out of the water, but this is due to the strange adaptations to its preferred waters. While many fish use gas bladders to create buoyancy, the blobfish does it by being made up of gelatinous mass with a slightly lower density than water. The blobfish is also lacking in muscle, so much of its existence is spent floating along with the current and eating whatever floats right in front of it. Number 3. The goblin shark. The goblin shark is a rare species of deep sea shark and the only extant representative of the Mytstrichinidae family, a lineage some 125 million years old. This pink-skinned animal has a long, pointy snout and crooked, nail-like teeth and can move incredibly fast. Number 4. The Commander dog. The Commander, also known as Hungarian sheepdog, is a large, white-colored Hungarian breed of livestock guardian dog with long, noticeably corded white looks like dreadlocks or a mop. The coat is soft and feathery, but the coat is curly and tend to twist as the puppy matures. A fully mature coat is shaped naturally from the soft base coat and the coarser outer coat uniting to form fringes. Number 5. Echidna. The first of a number of Australian animals on this list, the echidna, sometimes known as spiny anteaters, is one of the two members of the monotreme order of mammals, which means that it does not live young, but lays eggs. They are covered in spines and have long snouts lined with electroreceptors, a feature only found on land in echidnas and platypuses. With bulging eyes, giant ears, and tufts of hair, the eye is a long-fingered lemur, a strepsirrhine primate native to Madagascar with rodent-like teeth that perpetually grow and a special thin middle finger. It is the world's largest nocturnal primate. It is characterized by its unusual method of finding food. It taps on trees to find grubs, then gnaws holes in the wood using its forward slanting incisors to create a small hole in which it inserts its narrow middle finger to pull the grubs out. Number 7. Axolotl. Also known as the Mexican walking fish, the axolotl is one of the most unique amphibians in the world. Aside from the genial outward appearance, the amphibian is neotenic, meaning that the adult remain aquatic and gelled instead of going through a metamorphosis when reaching maturity. They also have the ability to regenerate almost any of their body parts. While axolotls are nearly extinct in their native Mexico, they have thrived in captivity and have become prized by the scientific world as well as by civilians as pets. Number 8, Platypus, an egg-laying mammal that it is semi-aquatic, nocturnal, and venomous. The platypus, sometimes referred to as the duck-billed platypus, is endemic to eastern Australia, including Tasmania. The mammal have evolved electroreception to help locate prey much like bats and sharks, but has almost 40,000 electroreceptors providing incredible accuracy. This little creature, they only grow up to around 50 centimeters in length, is one of the only creatures in the world to be the one and only representative of its family and genus for scientific classification. Number 9, Dumbo Octopus. Giving their resemblance to the title character of Disney's 1941 film Dumbo, having a prominent ear-like fin which extends from the mantle above each eye. It is clear how this species got its name. It lives at least 13,100 feet below the surface. The largest Dumbo octopus ever recorded was 5 feet 10 inches long and weighed 13 pounds. Life at these extreme depths requires the ability to live in very cold water and in the complete absence of sunlight. Dumbo octopuses move by slowly flapping their ear-like fins and they use their arms to steer. Number 10, Sloth. Sloths are mammals that live in the Central and South America and are deemed to be omnivores as they can eat small lizards and insects, but their meals include generally birds and leaves. Sloths have made unusual adaptation to an arboreal lifestyle. Sloths own very huge and slow-acting stomachs that have many sections in which symbiotic bacteria crush the harsh leaves.